What's up, guys? Nate here. Welcome back to Brick Tech. This could be the biggest video I ever do. It's huge, guys. You're not gonna believe some of the stuff I got. Let me just go ahead and show you. I got a Mindstorms brain box. I'm so excited to use this. No, I'm just kidding. I did get this, but I also got these, these, and this. Y'all probably can't even see me anymore. But I got all of this at an estate sale. Very, very rare find to find something like this at a estate sale, yard sale, garage sale, anything like that. But I was shocked. And I got all of this
for $90.
Mind blown. It's crazy how good it is. I mean, let me just go ahead and start going through it. So, this is a Lego Creator 3-in-1 set. Let me move some stuff out of the way first, guys. Alright, so this is a Lego Creator 3-in-1 set right here. They also threw in some of the magazines for some of the sets. Not all of them had them, but some of them did, and this is one of them. So you can build one of three things at a time. One thing at a time out of these three things. You can either build this, which is a double blade helicopter, which is what's currently built. It came built. I haven't built any of the other sets. The reason this one is built is I bought it built. But you can build this, or this, which is like a small boat, or this, which is like a F-14 Super Tomcat. It's a fighter jet. It's a very, very cool set. I've never even seen it until I saw this steel at a set at a place. But it has a gear on the back that you can rotate to do the props. You can just keep your finger on it and just rotate it constantly, and it kind of looks like constant, but flip it around, and it's got a bunch of features. I'll have a review of this set coming soon. With all the other stuff I got, it might not be the very next video, because I've also gotten a few video requests, so those will probably be first. But I will have this one in the future coming. But moving on, let's get this out of the way. I gotta go fast, guys, because as you saw, there's a lot of stuff to go through. I'll just put this over here. So let me show you guys the sets I got. These are all retired sets. This is the original Lego Quinjet from the first Avengers movie from back in 2012. It's got Iron Man, Loki, the Chitauri, Thor, Black Widow, and a very, very good build for a Quinjet. My friend Xanderland Studios, he's gonna be so mad that I got this set because this is his favorite version of the Quinjet. But he said the person selling it said that it might not have all the minifigures. So what I'm gonna do is when I review some of these sets that don't have all the minifigures, I'll just show pictures of the minifigures and do voiceovers and stuff like that. But that's one of the sets I got. Another one is this. It's Anakin's Starfighter. Anakin Skywalker's Starfighter. But it's not just any Anakin Starfighter. It's the Clone Wars version of the Starfighter. I mean, that's a very, very rare find. Actually, hang on. I was seeing if I can. Trying to see if I can see any of the minifigures. I don't see any of them. I don't think this one has Anakin or R2. But even if it doesn't, that's fine. The build is good enough in and of itself. But here's the next one I got. this. It's a Ninjago tank. Like I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but it's like a tank, a double-decker tank. It's from Ninjago, and one of the biggest reasons I got this is because I want a Lego tank. I've been wanting one for a while, and it also has a four-armed minifigure, and I've never had a four-armed minifigure before. I can probably use it for a custom four-arms from Ben 10. But I also got this, which they threw in for free, and it comes in this set, so it's pre-built, so I'll just have to include it into this set when I build this one. But let's see what else we got. I'll put this over here real quick. I also got Luke's land speeder, and they did give me the instructions for it right there. It only comes with the Luke minifigure, so for the other minifigures, I'll just show pictures of when I do the review. But it's pretty much intact. For the most part, it's pretty much exactly the same. Now in these are not Lego Classic sets. They are the Lego Classic containers, but they have tons of random Legos in here, and they look very useful. So let's see what we got. We got a base plate, cool. Ooh, mountain piece, cool. A door, like a jail. Ooh! We got this right here. It's got printed bricks on that piece right there. If there's more of them, I could do like a mock of someone breaking out of prison, like Doc Ock or something breaking out of prison. Yep. Here's another one. So I got two of those. And there's a cracked, like a crack in a wall piece. Ooh. There's a mold with like a lion head. It looks like it's supposed to be built into a wall. And actually, you know, all this stuff, I might have to make a Narnia mock, because that lion is kind of like Aslan, and the bricks are kind of like Cape Paravel from the first movie. Now, we're going through this one. I got two brick separators right off the bat, and there goes a brick flying. Let me get that real quick. Put that there. This one's overflowing. They all look like very good pieces. I mean, all this stuff is... I'm still shocked that I got all this stuff. Now, in here, I believe we have some Technic stuff. Yep. In here's mostly Technic pins and stuff. Close. Thank you. And there's mostly Technic pins and stuff, like different kinds. Ooh! We got gears and other type of stuff. Lots of nice stuff. Technic stuff. Wait a minute. Oh, those are going to be useful. And got some of these pieces in here too. A lot of gears and stuff. Right in there. Alright. Open this bad boy up. Oh snap, mother load. Mother load. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. These pieces right here, the shock absorber pieces, there's 8 of these in here. There's a bunch of these Technic pin connectors too, along with the Technic pins to go with them. Bunch of different sizes. This one's a gear, so. This one doesn't have much in it. It's mainly just some pins and a lot of these orange teeth. So nothing to show in that one very much. But these are some Mindstorms stuff. So, like a motor, and it looks like someone already, yeah, it looks like the guy that had it previously. Wait a minute. Let me see if this thing turns on. Please work. Please, please, please. It's alive! Yes! Scroll through some stuff. Try me mode. Try that. Alright, it's got two programs in here. One called Chopper Winch and Chopper Props. I think I know what the guy before me was doing. I think, because yeah, this is a motor. Let me see if this cord works. I guess you do it like that. By the way, guys, this is the NXT Mindstorms Pack, or some of the NXT pack. So I think what he did was he took the gear off the back, then he connected this right here. Let's see if it'll work. Oh snap! Oh! Ooh! Oh man! That works! That's cool! And run the other program, Chopper Winch. The winch on the side is gear driven, so I guess you can connect it to the gear and to wind it up. Because winding up a winch is a pain. Let's see how long this thing is. Dang. Dang. About 2 feet long. Put this gear back on the back. See if this works. Connect that there. Yep, it reels in the winch. That's what it's for. Dang, that's going to be useful for my other sets that I have that have winches. That's going to be useful. But I can't believe that I can finally motorize stuff. That's cool. So, slide this back over here. We've got one more thing to open up. So let's see what's in here. No way. No way. Guys. Guys. You're not gonna believe this. This is a complete Mindstorms pack. A complete Mindstorms set. It's got all the gears, the shifters, tracks, actuators, cable connectors, mechanical arms, Oh my gosh. Ball joint spaces. Oh, holy moly. Guys. It's even got a replacement for that winch. Oh. Let me close this so I can pick it up and show it to you guys. Look at all that, guys. I hit the mother load. Holy moly. I mean, all of this. I can't believe this. It's got a sound sensor, a gyro sensor, tons of... It's even got an infrared sensor. Let me see if this... Is there a try me for the infrared? Where is it? Where is it? Color. There, I guess that's it. Alright, it says port 3. It says it works. How about light? Yeah, it says when it gives that sound that it's working. So that all this stuff works, guys. I am shocked. I'm almost speechless. I mean, that motor that's there, there's 2 more of them. It's even got the Mindstorms stickers. S-Brick. The S-Brick stickers. You better watch out for some deadly mocks. With all this stuff and Mindstorms, you guys better be on the lookout. So, if you don't want to miss any of the good stuff, subscribe, or like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell all down below. And I'll see you next time on Brick Tech, guys. See ya.